Now today we will continue exercise 12.3, areas related to circle, class 10, chapter number 12. So question number 1 and 2 we already have done. Now question number 3. So we start from question number 3. So in question number 3, exercise 12.3, question number 3. So in question number 3, find the area of shaded region in figure if ABCD is a square. So it is given that ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. So side of square is 14 centimeter. This is 14, this is 14 centimeter, this is 14 centimeter. Sides of square are equal. So 14, 14, 14. And APD and BPC, there is a point inside the square, that is P, APD, this is P, and BPC, these are the semicircle. So we need to calculate the area of shaded region. So shaded regions are, these portions are shaded region. For calculating the shaded region, we must subtract the area of two semicircles from the area of square. If you remove the two semicircles from the square, you will get only shaded region. If you remove the two semicircles, area of two semicircles, these semicircles, you will get only shaded region. Think, analyze, remove this, you will get only this part, and remove this, you will get this part. So for area of shaded region, we have to subtract area of two semicircles from area of square. So in solution, sides of square, it is represented by AX or any alphabet, equals to 14 centimeter. Now first we have to calculate the diameter of radius of semicircle. Now diameter is given, diameter is equals to the side of square. So diameter of semicircle, equals to 14 centimeter. Now first calculate the radius. Radius R equals to, now 14 divided by 2 centimeter, that is 7 centimeter. So radius of semicircle is 7 centimeter. Radius is 7 centimeter. Now we can calculate the area of shaded region. Therefore, area of shaded region equals to area of square minus area of two semicircle. Okay, area of square minus area of two semicircle, we will get the area of shaded region. If you subtract the semicircles from the square, you will get only this part. only this part. only this part. You will get only this part. If you subtract semicircles from square. So area of square, the formula of area of square is side square. Side is A minus area of semicircle is half pi r square. There are two semicircles, half into half pi r square. Two semicircles make the circles, so 2 to cancel, so only pi r square is left. So a square is 14 square minus pi is 22 upon 7 into radius is 7 into 7. So this equals to 14 square is 196 minus 2 ones are 2, 7 1 7, 7 1 7. 22 into 7 is 154 centimeter square. So this equals to 196 minus 54 is 42 centimeter square. 42 centimeter square. Now this is the answer. So this is question number 3. Now move to question number 4. Question number 4 is find the area of shaded region. Find the area of shaded region where a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Where a circle of radius 6 centimeter has been drawn with vertex O. From vertex O we drawn a circle of radius equals to 6 centimeter of an equilateral triangle. So OAB is an equilateral triangle. OAB of side 12 centimeter. So sides of equilateral triangle is 12 centimeter. So total is 12 centimeter. So we need to calculate the area of shaded regions. So all parts are shaded. All the regions are shaded. For shaded region, first we have to calculate the central angle. We can say that the angle of an equilateral triangle, each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree because all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal. So 60 degree, it is also 60 degree, it is also 60 degree. Sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So these all are 60 degree. So after that, we will calculate the major angle, this angle, because this arc is the major sector. This is major sector. For calculating the area of shaded region, we have to add the area of major sector plus area of an equilateral triangle. Area of major sector plus area of an equilateral triangle. We will get the area of shaded region. Now sides of equilateral triangle is sides of equilateral triangle that is A equals to 12 centimeter. Radius of circle is radius R equals to 6 centimeter. Now central angle is 60 degree. Central angle theta is 60 degree. Now calculate the area of shaded region. Therefore, area of shaded region equals to area of major sector. This sector is major sector. This major arc forms the major sector. So area of major sector minus plus area of an equilateral triangle. So area of major sector, we know that the formula of area of major sector is 360 degree minus theta divided by 360 into sector is related to the circle, area of circle, into pi r square. 360 degree minus theta divided by 360 into pi r square plus, so area of an equilateral triangle is root under 3 by 4 a square. Now put the values. 360 degree minus theta is 60 degree divided by 360 degree into value of pi is 22/7. Yes, 22/7, 22 by 7 into radius is 6 into 6 plus root under 3 by 4. A is 12 into 12, that is centimeter square. So 360 minus 60 is 300 divided by 360 degree into value of 22 by 7 into 36. We can cut here 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 1 4, 4 3 12. Now multiply it, 3 into 12 is 36, root under 3 centimeter square. So again we got 0 0 here, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 36. Again we can cut 6 1 6, 6 6 36. So we will get 22 into 5 is 110, 110 into 6 is 660 divided by, in denominator there is 7 plus 36 root under 3 centimeter square. Now it is the answer of question number 4. Okay, this was for today. Thank you.